In this video, I will show you exactly how to craft the legendary Enderium ingot in Minecraft. You will need three main components, which are pulverized tin, pulverized lead, and ender pearls. Start by taking two pieces of pulverized tin and one piece of pulverized lead and combine them with a single ender pearl in your crafting grid. Once you have successfully crafted your Enderium blend, you are halfway there. Now you must take this blend and place it inside an induction smelter or a standard furnace. If you use a basic furnace, it will take a bit longer to process, so I highly recommend using an induction smelter for maximum efficiency. Apply a high level of heat and wait for the transformation to occur. As the fire burns, the pulverized metals and ender energy fuse together to form a solid Enderium ingot. These ingots are incredibly durable and are used to create the toughest tools and fastest machines in the game. Make sure you have a steady supply of ender pearls because you will need many of these ingots for your advanced projects. Follow these steps carefully and you will have a chest full of shiny Enderium in no time at all. Happy crafting and enjoy your new gear.